Whenever people hear the dark web, they think of hackers in hoodies, illegal marketplaces, and scary hidden corners of the internet. But is that really the whole story? Today, we're breaking down what the dark web actually is, what it isn't, and how artificial intelligence, yep, AI, connects to it all. Let's dive in. First, let's clear things up. The internet has layers. The surface web is what we use every day. Google searches, YouTube, online shopping. The deep web is everything behind logins. Your email inbox, Netflix library, private databases. And then there's the dark web, a small hidden part of the internet that you can't access with normal browsers like Chrome or Safari. Instead, you need special software like Tor to visit it. The dark web is intentionally hidden. Think of it like secret underground tunnels beneath a city. Hard to find, but they exist. Now, here's what the dark web isn't. It's not some giant, lawless space where every click makes you a criminal. Yes, illegal activity happens, like drug markets, stolen data, and more. But that's not the whole picture. The dark web is also used for good. Journalists protecting sources, activists avoiding censorship, and even everyday people who want more privacy online. So where does AI come in? AI is being used in two big ways: cybersecurity and law enforcement. AI helps detect patterns of illegal activity, track suspicious transactions, and shut down dangerous marketplaces. It's like giving investigators superpowered detective skills. Research and protection. AI can scan huge amounts of dark web data to warn companies if their information, like customer passwords, has been stolen. This way, businesses can act before hackers do more damage. But here's the flip side. Cybercriminals are also experimenting with AI, using it to create smarter phishing scams, deepfakes, and even to automate attacks. So, it's a digital arms race. The dark web isn't just about crime. It's about privacy, freedom, and the future of the internet. And with AI in the mix, the fight over who controls and protects this hidden world is getting more intense every day. So, next time you hear about the dark web, you'll know it's not just a place for hackers. It's a complex world of risks, protections, and innovations. And AI is right at the heart of it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech explainers. And let me know in the comments, what topic should we decode next?